In recent years, manufacturers have started to collect production data to analyze machine performance or downtime, for example. What has been widely ignored so far is the analysis of the manufactured components. Automated fiber placement is a production process used mainly in aviation to manufacture carbon composite parts like airplane wings. During manufacture, temperature, speed, and contact force can have a big impact on the quality of the produced component, which is why these parameters have to be closely monitored. The software from nebumind makes it quick and easy to analyze and monitor such parameters. It collects all machine and sensor data recorded during the manufacture of an individual component and visualizes that data as a digital product twin. It is thus possible to call up information about any point in the component. The nebumind software can be used to trace defects back to their origin. For example, if a higher than usual temperature value is identified in the digital product twin, machine parameters can be adjusted right away in order to prevent the defect occurring again in the future, thus avoiding production scrap. The nebumind software can also generate a reference model from good quality components so as to have reference values for subsequent components. This allows deviations to be detected online during manufacture already, thus avoiding further processing of defective parts. What's more, the nebumind software can support the introduction of new machinery. By using reference models of running machines to adjust the settings of a new machine, valuable setup time is saved. By analyzing manufactured components, the nebumind software can help industries such as aerospace, automotive, energy, and medtech to lower manufacturing costs and guarantee higher quality levels. Nebumind, making production data visible.